Hello, good morning. We're just on a country road. So we've got the Pothole Pro behind us. Just took our 110 square patches like this. Just deterioration potholes and all that. So for anybody that says it's too big, it fits down this country lane quite easily. And yeah, I'll show you some more of the potholes further down. So that one up there is about 22 square, and then we've got more coming down. Got one here as well. Hopefully my camera skills is going to do it justice. It's only a small, that's 12 square or something. Not bad views really, not a bad place to spend a day tarmacking. Some good views yeah, over there. And then we've got a load more as we're walking down. So yeah, I think the road closure went on about 9:30, and then got started. So it only took us about 120 square. It only took us 50 minutes really to take out. So the hot box has just turned up, got stuck in the plant. So we got all these out as well down here as well, and we'll put all these back in today. So it's a bit tight in places, but so the machine gets in, and then the big 26-ton hot box that's gonna just on its way in now. So I'll have the obviously the tarmac on, over banding, tack coat, and all that, and then yeah, it's the exciting thing for today. Thankfully it's nice weather, because up here can be absolutely terrible when it's raining. So yeah, it's not a bad place to spend a few hours with tarmacking. So thanks for watching.